Every single day, mechanics stands under thousands of pounds of steel held up by a single machine. We rarely think who built that machine or what happens if it fails. Because in this industry, failure is not an option. I'm in Guangzhou, China today, and it's raining here right now. I'm heading to a factory, and that factory is 60,000 square meters, bigger than some airport terminals, where machines are built to carry tons of weight every single day. And inside this factory, every millimeter matters. This is EOunice, a global manufacturer exporting to over 50 countries. But what makes this place different? It's not what they build, it's how precise it has to be. Guys, you can see that is my car. Right now I'm here in China. This is a factory called EOunice. I think they have solved our problem, because our problem is what? We don't know how to park our car. So this factory solved our problem, and the best part is it's a great business model as well. You can park your car in just 20 seconds each floor. I think that's a great thing. I just hand over my car to this system, and the best part is we don't need human power. A 2-ton car suspended in the air above someone's head. This is not comfort engineering. This is survival engineering.
This one is actually the longest scissor lift that we have around now. Okay. But I will show you later the short ones for the compact ones. So this is our double scissor lift. Double scissor lift is a very convenient product for workshops, because it can do many tasks. It's not limited to, and it can be for big size vehicles. So what we can do here, we can do the wheel alignment, we can do different tasks, and it's very useful. These are two different types of scissor lifts. This one is in-ground, that means we need to dig a hole to use it. And this one is on-ground. The thin on-ground, that means that we only need to bolt it on the ground. No need to dig the hole, so it's more convenient. Yeah, this is very convenient for compact, for small workshops. And also this is our special function, that it can be moved, portable. So that means you can take it and pull it and move to another place very easily. Anybody can move it, doesn't matter, because the other models, they are grounded, they are locked with the bolts. And this one can be pushed and pulled.
So these are the old version. Right now they have a new version. This is completely automated. This one you have to do it manually. But this one you just need to press one button. So let me show you. So right now you just need to press a button, then it's okay. Let me show you. So right now you don't need human power. This is completely automated, and this is their most new version, most latest version. It starts here, raw steel, cut with plasma precision. This is the plasma cutting machine, and it is very special. Let me ask to Sasha. Sasha, what is special in this machine?
It's special because it can cut thick pieces, like 1.5 centimeters, and with very high precision.
And when the load shifts, the risk begins. This is where human error ends. German KUKA robots, the same system used by BMW and Mercedes.
Welding. Robotic welding has the advantage because we can do very precision welding. Precision welding, that means that we can repeat exactly the same product. Doesn't matter if it's one piece or 10,000 pieces. We do everything the same. Okay, that's good.
Why did you choose the German KUKA robot over local alternatives?
And because we seek for quality, precision, our equipment must be 100% sure. It doesn't matter if it's one piece or 10,000 pieces. We want the competitive product in international market with high quality and precision. And that's why German KUKA robots are the best.
Then comes the system. This is their assembling plant.
Here you can see our in-ground scissor lifts being assembled. The assembly line from this type of lift to another type of lift.
所有的工序都是在我们这里完成的，是真实的。
Hydraulics, chains, structural frames. Every moving part must work perfectly together because failure doesn't happen at once. It starts from the smallest weakness.
This is their painting line. The best part of this factory is from idea to delivery, everything is under one roof. That's the difference between them and the others.
But here's the real safety layer.
As you can see, this safety mechanism. The safety mechanism is very advanced. Includes two, manual and electronic safety. That means the pneumatic safety. That's all together. It gives you the complete protection. That means that once this lock is engaged, that means this lift will not move any further. It will prevent any accidents.
That sound is what mechanics trust with their lives. Even if hydraulics fail, this lock holds everything in place.
Guys, this is my favorite part, quality check. And the great part of this factory is they will check each unit. No matter you order 1 unit, no matter you order 10,000 units, they will check each unit. Now let me show you their quality check. Okay. You can see this is 2.5 tons and it also adds my weight. I'm not that heavy, but you can see if this would be failed, your product won't leave this floor. I think this is a great part of this factory. They will check everything.
Winter.
Yeah.
I can see a lot of workers, they are still working, but I think that in China, the lunchtime is around 11:30. Right now, I think the time is already over. Why they are still working?
Oh, our lunchtime is 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock, okay.
So I can.
In your factory, I realized that there is no any language barrier.
Right.
No matter if the customers will come here, they can talk directly with you and they can understand it very well.
Yes.
I think that's a very great. For example, like the Sasha, I think his Chinese is very good and he
Yeah.
can speak multiple languages.
Yes.
Your English is very good, so I think it's like full of virgin.
Yes, yes.
But this factory doesn't stop at lifts. It builds entire parking systems that turn land into revenue. In cities like Dubai or London, the land is gold. The EOunice, they build towers that stack a lot of cars high on a tiny footprint. 25 floors on the footprint of just a few cars. This is engineering that creates space.
This is a puzzle parking system. Puzzle parking system is the most popular parking system in the world. Now more than 80% of all the parking systems in the world are puzzles parking systems. Why? Because it's very convenient, is easy to build and set up. And we can see here that one row needs to be empty because it's moving horizontally, and the other 2 rows can be full with cars. For this particular system, we have 6 floors. 6 floors can accommodate 13 cars.
So I think that is quite efficient. I have another question because I can see all the cars are there, sedan cars. So my question is, can we park the SUVs or truck in this system?
Yes, of course. This system is very convenient because we can customize the size of the panel where the car is parked. That means we can accommodate wider cars and also the height is not a problem at this system because we can have different types of cars.
So you can park different kinds of cars in this system, and I think that this system is quite efficient. And my another question is, I can't see any human power. If anyone wants to buy this system, they want to install this system, they need to hire some kind of employees to control this one. So because I can't see anyone here.
No, you don't need any employees. The users can just park a car, then step here at the control panel and swipe the car, pay for the parking and then leave. Machine will do all the rest. move the car.
I think this is a great automation system and great business model. Right now, you don't need any employee to handle all this big and great system. This part will take big space, and that part you can see it won't take that much big space, and it works also more beautifully, I think. So Sasha, I can see there's another system and it works differently from that one. Could you tell me a little bit of this system?
This is a rotary parking system. For rotary parking system, the difference is the movement. This one has a circular movement, and it also has a very small land size comparing to this one. So this particular system has 11 floors. 11 floors, and that means we can accommodate 20 cars on a very small parking space. So Zia, let me tell you, we have another system that is even more efficient than these two systems.
Really?
Yeah, we will show you later.
I think this factory is full of innovation. Later I'll show you their most efficient one, but right now I'm gonna show you the more advanced than those two. So Sasha, could you tell me there is another system, and I think they have like a screen, and this looks differently from those two. Could you tell us that what is that?
This here is the improvement of the puzzle system that we have right here by combining the puzzle system and vertical system together in one system. And also we have advanced parking platform. This advanced parking platform allows us the faster car intake and outtake, and that makes it very competitive on the market.
And here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just engineering, it's a business model. So Sasha, I have a very important question for my all followers, that if they want to invest in this kind of system, how many years will it take to return their investment?
For this particular system, it will only take 1 year to return the investment.
Only 1 year? Guys, you can see if you invest in this system, it will take only 1 year to return your investment. That is amazing. Sourcing heavy machinery is a high stakes. You aren't just buying a product, you are buying a long-term engineering partner. You can find EOunice on madeinchina.com. 60,000 square meters. This isn't a startup. This is a global manufacturer with over 30 years. If you're looking for lifting or parking solution, reach out to us. Subscribe for more. I'm Zia Basi, Stay Premium.